Hey everybody, first stealth camp. This is kind of like a last minute camp. I gotta leave town for like a week. I'm gonna do a quick test run here. We're gonna go for a quick stealth camp. I'm thinking the local Walmart parking lot. It's kind of a place where everybody congregates anyway. Campers and vagabonds and just nomads, like I see all sorts of vehicles there. You wouldn't believe it. So in this kind of one area. So I'm going to park there. I think I'll blend in plenty fine. I just want to be kind of low key about getting in the back. And then obviously we've light proofed this pretty well. I don't think there's going to be too much of an issue. Pretty late already. I'm not going to do any cooking because I already ate a big dinner and yeah, that's what it is. I got some snacks. Get out there. I'm going to kind of just set my gaming setup up so I can just relax, chill. I'm not going to probably put any like gaming clips in or anything. I know I was allotting a little bit. Let's get going though. Woo, she's starting up. Where am I? What happened? Is it at? Oh, it's at tape's end there. Oop. Ah! There we go. We're off. This is a big moment. We are ready to go. I gotta back the truck up here, close the garage door. I can't see through the back window now because I have it all blacked out. Just gonna bring it out. All right, I'm pulling into Walmart here. Let me turn my music down. I'm actually gonna turn my fog lights off. I use those to make it a little bit brighter, but we wanna stay as incognito as possible here. I have a spot in mind that I kind of want to go to. So we're gonna pull up here. There's a few cars at this spot right here, but there's some people right there. So I'm gonna circle around once here. Just because I don't really know who's in where and what. Right now, there's kind of some people. I don't know what they're doing back there. This is looking a little sketchy on this side. So we're gonna go to the other side here real quick. Maybe it'll be a little bit quieter on this side. I don't know. Looking at different spots. I'm gonna back into this spot here by this truck. I kind of don't like being backed up where I am to. The other side, it like kind of backs up to a fence, whereas this kind of backs up to a hill. We're gonna shut things down here and kind of just chill here for a second. I'm gonna just keep my eye on stuff. The truck next to me is a work truck. I assume there might be someone sleeping in it. Maybe not. You can see there's a camper over there. You know, I honestly wanted to come here because I felt most comfortable posting up here, but now I feel less comfortable. But let's try and get into the back of the truck camper here. I'm not gonna bring the tailgate down. I'm just gonna bring up the window and I'm gonna crawl in that way. I'm kind of dressed in all black. I don't even know if you can even see me very well right now on the camera, and it'll be dark for a minute until I can get inside, get the shade up, and then I will get a light on. So let's do this. Here we go. All right, so I got the vehicle locked, and yeah, there's definitely someone in that work truck next to me, and they're definitely smoking something, so I want to just kind of be chill. This is actually perfect. You can see, I step right in. I'm just gonna unlock. Unlock here, hop on in. All right, so I'm inside, but I need to get my shade out and get this window blocked. Bear with me here, I'm gonna get this out. Now I'm gonna kind of keep my voice down. I mean, I don't have the best acoustics in here anyway because I don't have the roof upholstered, so it kind of echoes. I will get the lights on in a minute, but this thing is, I can't even push this thing open. Well, I mean, obviously because it's latched in, but it is locked up. And hopefully I'm not talking too quiet, but honestly, I'm just really trying to stay low key to start. I don't really love the place I parked. I'm kind of like literally like one spot over. On each side is another car. And like I said, when I pulled in, the work truck next to me, I think there was a dude laying down smoking something. I'll just leave it at that. So let's turn these on. I know I can get away with these. I don't think that there's any issue of light bleed. And if there is, I will not know. Okay, so we got some more light. I think I just want to leave these on for now like this. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, I realize I need to put the camera way back. It's super close. I'm gonna take my shoes off. All right, honestly, I'm pretty confident with my blackout. I haven't done a lot with the front one, but I don't really think I need to because there's the tinted windows in the way. And unless someone's like actually creeping up on me looking at stuff, dude, I absolutely am gonna get a camera installed so I can see outside from in. Let's turn the bright ones on. All right, this is so weird knowing how bright it is in here, but it's gonna be pitch black from the outside. I double checked this, and I mean, if there's any light leaking through, it's very little. This is much better. All right, so I'm gonna use the wide angle for a second just because I have so much light in here. So let me just show you, I'm just hanging out. I basically am already in PJs. I've got my bag there with my computer. I did bring this in case I need to bring an extension cord off the generator there, which you've got. You can see I brought a couple bagged snacks with me that I stole from my kids. I got my laptop stand, and of course there's the table, which is hiding underneath my storage down there. And then I don't have like a thing for my mouse pad, so I have this to just, I guess, kind of, I have my mouse pad in there, sorry, but like I didn't have anything hard, so I just had this scrap wood, and it's kind of the perfect size. It'll work really well. If I stop talking, it's because I'm like, am I talking too loud? I don't know. I need to do a sound test to see like how much sound gets out of this thing, especially at night. Things are so much quieter. Gonna do some gaming, gonna relax, gonna try and get that setup going. I'm not doing like any streaming because I'm not by like really a Wi-Fi connection, and I'm not gonna try and mess with my phone tonight, getting hotspot going or anything. I'm just gonna chill out. In fact, I may even just watch a movie, to be honest. But now I'm gonna do a little gaming for sure. Have a snack. Let me just get some things set up here and kind of show you again how I've got it working. It's super chill in here. This chair, actually, I need to 1, 2, 3, just like that. Now we be chilling. This is the life, living the life here. Let's get a few things set up here. I'm gonna talk a little bit louder here because I feel actually kind of comfortable talking a little bit louder. It's a little warm in here already to start, so I think it's like 66 or 65. I've been kind of moving around and I got the lights on, so I'm kind of hoping it actually cools down a little bit. I don't plan on venting anything tonight, just by nature of where I'm at and really trying to stay as incognito as possible. Although it is gonna be really weird, like if I'm playing this game with headphones on, I might keep one ear off just so like I can hear anything that's going on around me. My headphones do allow like pass through, so I can hear what's going on as well. So this is a complete learning episode for me, especially kind of figuring out how this setup works out, and then kind of getting the ropes of stealth camping here. This one's a little weirder because while I can be really stealth in here, the nature of where we're at, it's not that, like, there's a lot of traffic, and I kind of would prefer, well, I mean, I guess that's a part of stealth camping, but it's weird because there's more camper traffic, like more kind of people traffic that are around here, like staying here, less just kind of movement traffic where people come and go, right? No one really notices you then, but anybody that's hanging around here is gonna say, oh, look at that. I upholstered this down here, and then I turned this, you can see I turned this into so now this actually has some retention, and if I can get it to go in there, and I'm making tons of noise, but so that closes down there real nice. It's actually getting really warm in here. Only gonna get hotter in here once I start running the computer. And if the generator kicks on, it'll get a little bit warmer in here yet. I heard something out there. It was like someone's ringtone or something, so I'm kind of gonna just be quiet for a minute. Now, fuck that. I'm gonna just keep doing my thing here. So I'm basically set up to game. Oh, let me actually access this. Let me test accessing the storage under here and show you what that looks like. Let's give that a try. While I have done it at home, in practice, in application, it's a whole different thing. So I'm gonna kind of remove a few things off the top here. Walmart garbage bag, just kind of in the spirit of Walmart camp. Gatorade pee bottle, just in case. But all right, I'm gonna bring the board out. There it goes, just like that. Okay, perfect. So you can see the storage setup. There's kind of just, this is the under storage where I just put stuff in. There's kind of a more like hard to access permanent storage back there, and then there's my drawer. You can see I have a few things from one of my camping bags in here, and I'm most notably going after my water. So yeah, I got a rain poncho, toiletry kit, cook set here, the burners inside there with the cup, and then another cook set there that I'll be using. I'll be adding a bunch more stuff here, and then a first aid kit and some more toiletries. You can see right here, I just have a little stick cut basically for what I consider, I guess, well, how high this should go up. You can see there it is up there like that. So pretty, not too bad as far as being able to access this. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, to be honest, and I don't really foresee me really needing to go in here like constantly. I'm getting a little more comfortable talking a little bit louder. I'm not going to scream in here. Plus, again, the acoustics are kind of crap because I don't have any installation above here. There it is. There's the generator. So it's been so easy just to kind of reach back and plug stuff in. That's been really nice. I mean, I brought the extension cord too. All right, obviously darker in here. Might be a little bit harder to see, but this is so chill. This is so cool. Can't be too loud. Oh my gosh, this is sick. So there's the setup. We're gaming. All right, press any button. The mouse setup. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hear the generator kicking on. Generator's kicking on. I'm pulling, what, 200 watts? Ain't too bad. And here's the thing, like that's a little noisy, right? Well, I'm playing Elden Ring, so my computer's going on turbo mode. As you can see, oh, sick drums. So I'm gonna do some gaming here for a bit, and I'll bring it back right before I decide to go to bed. We'll see how friggin' unbearably hot it gets in here with that running and the generator running. I haven't even started playing, and it's just phenomenal. Oh my gosh, look at all of that. Here we go. Here we go. Not too long ago, I heard a door open like at the truck right next to me and close. Probably just, I don't want to read into it, right? They're probably just getting out, throwing something out their vehicle, whatever. Play a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna get my ass to bed. All right, I am done gaming for the night. It's getting pretty late, and I have to be actually up early in the morning. It's freaking hot in here after that generator run and my laptop running. This would be great in the winter when it was cold. Running this stuff would be perfect. Yeah, put a few things away, and then it's bedtime. I'm looking forward to eating those cookies here. I'm gonna eat those quick before bed. But I'm gonna turn in, there's the generator, there's the chair, and there I am, just chilling. It's super comfortable here on this little bunk mattress here. I'm gonna hit the hay, listen to the sounds of the Walmart parking lot here, bring you back in the morning, and we'll show you what everything's looking like. So, good night. Oh, oh, I smacked my head on the top there. All right, well, I'm up, just barely. It's early. Tired if you can't tell. I'm kind of cold. It got chilly. It cooled down really quick in here, which was good and bad. It was good because I was steaming in here from the generator and the laptop. Bad because I was probably underprepared for blankets. I did all right though. But that's a good learning lesson here. And there we are. You can see where I was at. It is morning time. Time to get out of here. We'll crawl on out and see what our surroundings are this morning. Those birds were loud as shit this morning. So the same vehicles that were here last night are still here next to me, so that's just fine. This kind of a construction vehicle, HVAC one next to me. There's definitely somebody in there. And then there's this this Honda Pilot, I think, over here too. I don't know if someone's in there, who knows? But successful. I survived the first overnight stealth camp. It was chill. You got to get over the nerves a little bit of kind of doing public camping like this. So when you're kind of by yourself in the back of the truck, it's a little bit of a different feeling. You know, the one thing that really made it super secure was the lock system I did come up with. So keep your eyes out. I'm going to put a video up on that and show you how I'm locking the camper back there. And I don't know if it'll apply to every setup. It definitely applies to this one, obviously. So keep an eye out for that. That made me really confident. You know, unless someone was smashing out the back window, I wasn't concerned. Oh, there's a guy just getting out of his vehicle there. So that guy was definitely sleep camping in his vehicle too. I gotta get my butt going. Thanks for watching, guys. Till the next video. And we're off.